Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play mini games on the My Talking Tom Friends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device. And once you open it up, you will gain access to the main game. Now, while you are playing the game with your friends, you will notice sometimes that the bus icon is popping up. Now, occasionally, you are able to board the bus if you have enough points, which will take you into the nearby neighborhood. From here, you can choose from various different mini games that you can play. You can gain various different rewards. Now, within your game, you will also find the TV and the video game section within which you can play mini games as well. Just drag your character onto the TV set and enjoy your mini game. You will be able to choose from various different mini games that are available. So just tap on whichever one you wish to play, and now you can enjoy your mini game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play various mini games within the My Talking Tom Friends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.